Welcome to Learn About Astronomy, and this is the night sky for Wednesday, May 14th, 2014. Almost in the middle of May now, and hopefully the weather's improving, getting warmer. Pretty much the time when people start planting here in Montreal, in southern Quebec, their tomato plants for the summer, and making their gardens and planting flowers. Pretty much mid-May is around the best time of year here, and hopefully things are good where you are in the northern hemisphere. Sun setting later each evening. We're now at more like 8:15 set time, and it's setting pretty much, I would say, like 8:15, 8:20, a few minutes later each evening, and this is going to go on until the solstice, the summer solstice of June. As the sun sets, well, take a peek around half hour after sunset to your northwest sky, especially with a little pair of binoculars. If you do, we have Mercury giving us an evening apparition, and if you know where to look and you have an unobstructed view of your west-northwest horizon, especially with a pair of binoculars, you should spot Mercury. Yes, it is in the glare, the blue glare of the sky in the northwest, but it's easy to spot when you know where to look, and with a pair of binoculars it's actually a good way to find it. And basically it's going to set around 10 p.m. So we're at pretty much the maximum setting time of Mercury now. To the west, higher, we have Jupiter, but as you see, it's getting closer to the sun as the month goes on, and is dimming somewhat a little bit, but Jupiter, even when dim, is still quite bright, so it's easy to spot. Mars, high in the south around 10 p.m. A really great planet to watch. And Saturn in the southeast, if we take a peek at, let's say, 11 p.m. 11 p.m. it's getting high enough in the southeast, south-southeast. The moon, which is fullish as we call it, which is almost the full moon tonight, is to its lower left, so you can spot Saturn quite easily close to the full moon on that evening. So use the moon to help you find Saturn. Once you spot the full moon, you will look to the upper right, and not very far, behold, you should have Saturn glowing right there as a cream-colored, average, I would say average brightness star. It's not as bright as Mars, but it's pretty good, As the night goes on, of course, you will see the moon and Saturn moving slightly away. If you actually look at the moon and Saturn every hour or half hour throughout the night, you see that the moon is slowly moving away from Saturn. Neptune rising around 2:45. And Venus, of course, the morning planet, the queen of the morning, around 4 a.m., bright star in the east before sunrise. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you like our videos. Why not subscribe so you'll be informed when new videos are online. We try to post videos for every month, and we'll be doing so. And of course, when special astronomical events happen, we also post special videos for those events. And hopefully you enjoy our videos, and we'll come back to learn about astronomy. Bye-bye.